Hi, everyone. Welcome to Conversations with your Nashville Realtor. I am Meredith Smith, your Nashville Realtor, and I wanted to pop on today to talk about pass-fail inspections. Now, when I'm representing a buyer, this is often a contingency that I will write in. Buyer to perform an inspection and will accept the house on a pass-fail basis. Seller will be asked to make no repairs. Now, when I say that out loud, it sounds great, but there's a lot of gray area in there. And, back when I started seeing this more than a year ago in the Nashville market, I didn't know if it was going to stick. And pass fail has now become an expectation. Buyers are expected to do this, and sellers like to see it. However, I feel like this needs to get tightened up a little bit with language. And when you say that you're going to take it on a pass fail basis, but there's nothing else behind that, there's a lot of gray area. You can fail the inspection if you don't like how the toilets flush, if you don't like the water pressure. I see many people making sight unseen offers with the inspection as pass fail. Now, these people haven't seen the house, and I see people using that to get into the house, and then if they don't like it, they use the inspection to get out. So representing sellers, I think it's a really good idea to make the language a little bit tighter, a little stronger. And I'm not an attorney, so when I'm writing specific special stipulations, I call on my buddy Griffin over at Momentum Title, and I get some help with that so that I can make sure that my buyers are protected. So when saying pass fail, it would be a good idea to make that a little more specific. So in the event the buyer chooses to terminate the contract due to inspections, there needs to be proof of an individual item that needs to be repaired up to a certain amount. So say it's $3,000, and the seller must be presented with a quote from a licensed contractor. So that way, if you're taking this house on a pass-fail basis, you're serious, and the only way you're walking away is if there's something serious wrong with the house. It's not to just take a look and say, I'm not real happy with the way the faucet works, or just, it's got to be something major. So if you have questions about navigating this Nashville market when it comes to pass-fail inspections, please reach out.